Welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson, we discuss why YouTube is a long-term asset for authors. I am Alex Peter. I published more than 30 books on Amazon KDP. Over the years, I have generated book sales without running paid ads. I also do blogging consistently. It helped improve my book's visibility and sales. However, something interestingly happened when I started my YouTube channel. When I began uploading videos regularly and added my book links in the description of every video, I noticed a clear increase of my book sales. My book visibility improved significantly. Frequent visibility builds familiarity, familiarity builds trust, and the trust converts into sales. That's why I created this course for authors and aspiring authors who struggle with one major challenge: sales. Writing a book is difficult, but selling the book is often a big challenge. In this course, I will show you how YouTube can become your long-term visibility engine and help you build sustainable book sales without depending entirely on paid ads. Let us start. YouTube is a long-term asset for authors. It builds authority, attracts readers, sell more books without any paid ads. YouTube is not a trend, it is a library. YouTube is a long-term searchable platform where videos remain discoverable for years. Example, a video titled How to Publish a Book on Amazon can generate views and sales for years. YouTube works as a search-based discovery platform where people actively look for solutions. For example, someone typing how to write a novel outline already wants guidance. Videos rank for years because YouTube behaves like a search engine, not a temporary feed like Instagram or Facebook. Each uploaded videos become a long-term digital asset that compounds visibility. YouTube builds authority. Consistent video publishing builds credibility and reduces resistance to buying your books. Here is an example. When viewers watch 10 of your lessons, then they begin to see you an expert. Seeing your face regularly builds emotional trust faster than text. For example, repeated exposure increases familiarity and confidence. Consistently positions you as a specialist in your niche. That authority naturally drives organic book sales. Videos work 24/7. Your YouTube channel operates as an automated marketing engine around the clock. Example, a viewer in another country can discover your book while you are sleeping. Your videos generate traffic even when you are offline. Evergreen content remains relevant for years. For example, publishing advice rarely becomes outdated quickly. This reduces daily marketing pressure. Search traffic brings buyers. Search-driven viewers convert better because they have a clear intent, buying intent. Example, someone searching how to publish on Amazon is serious about taking action. High intent audience are powerful because they are problem aware. You meet viewers exactly when they need a solution. For example, they are already researching for purchasing. That increases conversion rates significantly. Content multiplication engine. One YouTube video can be repurposed into multiple pieces of content across the platform. A 10-minute teaching video can become 5 LinkedIn posts and 3 shorts. You can extract quotes, clips, and ideas from one recording. For example, short clips help you reach a new audience quickly. Repurposing saves time and effort. This maximizes content efficiency. From my example, when I write a blog, I repurpose that blog into book content, LinkedIn post, Facebook post, and so on. That method also you can follow. With a minimal effort, minimal research, you can multiply the results, the outcomes. Build a direct audience. Growing subscribers and email signups creates an audience you control. Offering a free chapter in exchange for email builds your list. Subscribers follow your journey long term. For example, loyal viewers watch multiple videos over months. Email list strengthen book launches. This reduces reliance on paid advertising. Viewers often search your author name after watching your content. Repeated exposure builds familiarity and trust. For example, brand recall increases when people see you consistently. External traffic signals credibility to Amazon. This improves discoverability and long-term sales. Multiple income streams. YouTube opens additional revenue streams beyond book sales. Ad revenue, coaching, and affiliate tools create diversified income. Ad monetization provides passive earnings. For example, even moderate views generate monthly income. Courses and coaching sell naturally to engaged audience. Affiliate commission add another revenue layer. Consistency compounds growth. Publishing weekly builds momentum and long-term brand equity. Uploading one video per week creates 52 digital assets per year. Small gains accumulate over time. For example, steady subscriber growth compounds annually. Consistency trains both algorithm and your audience. Long-term thinking wins over short bursts. Digital real estate strategy. Each video acts as digital property that increases your online footprint. 100 videos create 100 searchable entry points. Treat your channel like a digital real estate. For example, more content increases discoverability. Over time, your channel becomes intellectual property. This creates sustainable long-term growth. See you on next video.